Welcome to you in the third days of the AJ90JS challenge, and I hope everything is going well from your side with honesty. Many of you ask me a question, can I move ahead if I completed those tasks or topics that are given in your 90 days plan? So yeah, why not? You can move ahead. Our main mission is to stay consistent and complete those topics in 90 days. But if you are a beginner, then take your time and ask your doubt in the Twitter communities or personally as well. By the way, here is my plan for 2 days, and let's get into the real adventure of JavaScript. First, today I solved a code war problems. A problem was so simple, just I have to reverse the element of the array. Then I applied a built-in JavaScript method, that is reverse method, and everything is done. But if you are a beginner, then you do not need to solve the code wars problem yet, right? But at least you have to create an account on code wars and see the questions and their test cases, also how discussion going on, right? Once you get the basic knowledge or fundamental knowledge of JavaScript, then you can easily solve the code war problem, right? Also, you can learn JavaScript topics by solving code war problem. We'll make a video on it, how to solve code war problem, right? But till now, make a habit, at least you should open code wars website at least once in a day, right? Then I read a MDN blog about how the web works. You must need to read this blog as well. It covers max of the things, including client versus server. The client is your browser, which means your browser can request the data in the form of HTML, CSS, JavaScript file from the server. And the server where your website's assets are stored in the form of HTML, CSS, JavaScript files or videos, images, etc. etc. And the next one is DNS, domain name system. It is a specific address of the website. Suppose if I am typing google.com into the browser, then my browser looks to the DNS to find the IP address of the google.com, right? Also, you can visit the google.com by typing an IP address into your browser. Let me show you. Just type this IP address in your browser and hit enter, and boom, you can see google.com on your screen. And the next one is packets. When server send data to the client, instead of sending it directly to the client, it breaks that data into thousands of pieces or chunks, and those chunks are known as packets. Then I did a video on GitHub Markdown, and oh my god, it took me around more than 4 hours to edit this video because the length of this video is around 30 minutes. And I urge you to watch this video if you want to document your AJ90JS journey on GitHub. And because of this, I did not went to the gym, even I did not cook food. I went to the market to eat the food. So yeah, these are some challenges I faced at the third day of this challenge. Let me know what obstacles or challenges you faced at the third day of this challenge.